a large group of individuals who are indigenous population who have a mutation in the MLH1 gene that causes colon cancer at a very young age. Our interest began in the mid-80s when we initially identified a small group of people on a De Beers Kleinzie mine who appeared to have colon cancer at a young age and appeared to be all related. In the mid-90s, that genetic mutation was identified. De Beers helped us set up a family cancer unit with a grant that then allowed us to take that testing, that mutation, and develop the counseling skills, etc., behind that, and take it out to the population in the Northern Cape, and of course in the Western Cape. So all this work required, in terms of the genetics and the exploration, required a setup of some sort of screening program for these individuals. The groups were initially quite small, but now we've got over 200 proven mutation-positive individuals in the Northern Cape. The nearest and the only colonoscopy facilities in Kimberley, which is for some people up to 1,200 kilometers away. And they're a diagnostic service that are completely overloaded with just routine diagnosis. So in the early 90s, I started going to the Northern Cape once a year, initially with Olympus, then a number of other companies, and over the recent 5 or 6 years with Olympus to provide a screening service. Now, what that's done is it's added on average 20 years of life to anyone who enters the screening program, which I feel is an amazing outcome. And Olympus have really come to the party in assisting us with bringing the skills out of Europe to train our individuals, in other words, to train the trainers. We have been, shall I use the word blessed, because the equipment that we now have is the latest and the best. Currently, they provide the endoscopy equipment and transport it from little town to little town. And what we're talking about is 3 fully equipped endoscopy rooms, all of which goes in a van, all of which comes out of the van, gets set up, and it's all state-of-the-art equipment.